bus do? Do they spin in circles round and round? Yes, they do. They go round and round all through the town. What does the rain on the bus sound like? Drip, drip, drip on the window pane. Yes, it does. It goes drip, drip, drip all through the town. What do the wipers on the bus do? Do they go swish, swish, swish on a rainy day? Yes, they do. They go swish, swish, swish all through the town. What does the horn on the bus do? Does it honk, honk, honk to clear the way? Yes, it does. It goes beep, beep, beep all through the town.
What do the doors on the bus do? Do they open and shut all day long?
Yes, they do.
They open and shut
all through the town. What does the driver on the bus say? Does he call out, move on back each day? Yes, he does. He says, move on back all through the town.
What do the babies on the bus do?
Do they cry wah 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 for a hug or two?
Yes, they do. They go wah wah wah
all through the town. What do the mommies on the bus do? Do they whisper shh shh to calm the crew?
Yes, they do. They go shh
Shh shh all through the town. What do the lights on the bus do? Do they blink, blink, blink when it's dark outside? Yes, they do. They blink, blink, blink all through the town. What do the people on the bus do? Do they bounce up and down when the road gets bumpy? Yes, they do. They go up and down all through the town. What does the bus do on this fine day? Does it take us singing on our way? Yes, it does. It rolls along all through the town. Come along, my friends, we'll learn our letters the fun way. From A to Z, come sing with me, let's find out what each one will be. A is for apple, red and round, growing on the tree where sweetness is found. B is for bubble, floating high, shiny little circles drift through the sky. C is for cat, soft and sweet, purring on the windowsill, curling its feet. D is for dog, loyal and true, wagging its tail just for you. E is for elephant, big and gray, trumpets hello in a friendly way. F is for fish, swish and glow. G is for giraffe, so tall, eating green leaves over us all. H is for horse, galloping free. I is for insects, buzz, 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 tiny wings singing just because. J is for jaguar, quick and bright, spotted and strong in the jungle night. K is for kangaroo, hop so high. L is for lion, brave and bold, heart of the savannah made of gold. M is for monkey, swing so fun. N is for nest, cozy and neat. E, O is for octopus, arms so wide, dancing through ocean's gentle tide. P is for penguin, slide and play, waddling happy all through the day. Q is for queen in a castle bright. R is for reindeer, strong and fast, through winter winds they dash and pass. S is for squirrel, nuts to hide. T is for tiger, striped and proud, roaring soft thunder through the crowd. U is for unicorn, sparkles bright. V is for volcano, rumble glow, mountains of fire deep below. W is for whale, song so deep, echoing soft. X is for xylophone, music play. Tink, tink, tinkle the happy way. Y is for yacht, sail away. Z is for zebra, black and white. Good night, zebra, sleep tight tonight. Now we've sung from A to Z, so many friends for you and me. Close your eyes, the stars will gleam.